Hi you guys, we're going to do a quick pack my bag with me. I am packing my mini city tote in the powder pink color. This is from the new collection. So let's get started. She is empty, has that maroon or dark mauve interior, whatever you want to call her. First, I'm going to stick my wristlet in this bag. I have all my makeup products in here. Next, I'm going to stick my phone in here. Next, I'll stick my wallet. I do have my cards in here and some coins in this slot. Next, I'll stick a compact mirror. Next, my keys. Hand soap, hand lotion, and a stylus pen.